Silence speaks as daylight breaks. My reasoning cannot reveal the love I now can truly feel. The calm I need, the peace I crave, comes when I trust the one who saves. I see the world through sacred eyes, the things that last, the truth that lies. The storms may howl, the days may bend, but I have peace that does not end. The problems fade when I believe, not just in what I can perceive. I raise my view, I lift my head, and walk the way to faithful tread. I step outside my spinning mind, and in that quiet space I find no map, no sign, just trust to steer, each breath becoming crystal clear. Out of the dark, into the light, love is the compass through the fight. I cast away the way I wore, and now I walk through open doors. What once was fear now feels like flame. I rise above the need for name. Release the past, dissolve the strain. The rhythm flows in every vein. Aligned with life, I breathe in peace. In every step, the soul release. Lights and flowers, vocal to end. A vague impetuous quiet through stare you delay. The path ahead unknown but true. I'm led by light